Stutter is a low-pitched, noisy breathing sound, often resembling snoring. It originates from the back of the throat or nasal passage. It is caused by a partial obstruction of the upper airway, typically at the level of the nasopharynx or oropharynx. This noise can be heard during both inhalation and exhalation. When we see key characteristics of stutter, it is a low-pitched. It is characterized by a low-pitched sound, distinct from the high-pitched stridor. The sound originates from the upper airway, especially the back of the throat and the nasal passage. It looks like snoring. It often resembles snoring or the sound associated with nasal congestion. Stutter can be caused by varieties of factors, including partial airway obstruction, narrowing or blockage of the airway, which can lead to stutter. It can also be from structural abnormalities. Conditions like adenoid enlargement or floppy tissue in the upper airway can cause stutter. Infectious causes, viral infection or other infection in the upper respiratory tract can cause stutter. Allergies or flu can cause inflammation and congestion leading to this sound. The other is brachycephalic breeds. Flat-faced breeds like cats, dogs are prone to stutter due to their anatomy. Stutter and stridor are both abnormal, noisy breathing sounds caused by upper airway obstruction, but they differ in their location and sound quality. Stutter is a low-pitched, snoring-like sound, usually occurring above the larynx, whereas stridor is, on the other hand, is a higher-pitched, wheezing sound, typically originated at the larynx or below. So the location, stutter originates in the upper airway, above the larynx, while stridor originates in the larynx or below. Stutter is a low-pitched, snoring-like sound, whereas stridor is high-pitched, wheezing sound. Stutter can be caused by various factors, including enlarged tonsils or adenoids, nasal congestion, or swelling in the upper airway. Stridor is often caused by conditions like croup, epiglottitis, or foreign body obstruction to the larynx and the trachea. Wheezing is a high-pitched, whistling sound that usually occurs during exhalation, but can also be during inhalation. It is caused by narrowing of smaller airways in the lungs, often due to inflammation or spasm. It is below thoracic inlet. This is a difference between stutter, stridor, and wheezing. Thank you for watching.